And when we rode, as I walked in the counselor's office, I saw the counselor disappointed. I thought, I'm not going to pass. The green is where I was. The blue is what I saw. The yellow is what I thought. And the pink is what I said. Same as the fest.
Very good.
What I saw, what I thought, what I said, and where I was standing.
Very good. I have a question for you. The word "as." What happens if you take it off? What would happen to that clause?
If you take it off to this, from this, it won't be a clause.
What would it be then?
It was a simple sentence.
Very good. How do you know that? That it would be a simple sentence. What does a simple sentence have? What are the
Subject
two
and a
parts?
verb.
Very good. Can you point to me the subject?
The subject is I.
Okay, and the verb?
It's like walk.
Very good.
Yeah.
But since you added the word "as," then why do you have a comma there at the end?
When you start with a clause, you have to put a comma to separate it from the simple sentence.
Okay, very good. All right. Thank you, guys.